They said it was impossible. They said it was temporary. They said Manchester United were finished. Then the giants fell. First, Manchester City, the champions. Pep Guardiola's machine, beaten clean sheet at Old Trafford. And today, United went straight to the Emirates and took down Arsenal, the league leaders, the team ruling the Champions League. 3-2 away under fire. That's not luck, that's defiance. Under Michael Carrick, United didn't just change tactics, they changed mentality. Bryan Mbeumo stepping up, Bruno Fernandes leading through pain, not comfort. A squad playing like the badge is heavy again. Back-to-back wins against the best, when nobody believed. So ask yourself this, is this just a moment, or the rebirth of Manchester United? Because when belief comes back to this club, the league always feels it. Welcome to Victor Succeed, home of football mindset.